You are losing muscle after 60 and you already know it, but aging is not doing it. Inflammation is. It runs silently in your body, telling it to break down muscle and store fat every single day. 5 grams of the right things stops it. Before we get into it, drop a comment and tell us what topic you would like us to cover next. This community is built around people who genuinely care about their health, and we love hearing from you. Number 5. Glycine. You have probably never heard of glycine, and if you have, you likely think of it as a sleep supplement. What it actually does for your muscle and inflammation while you sleep is something that should be far more widely known. Glycine is an amino acid. Your body uses it to manufacture collagen, creatine, and one of the most powerful antioxidants your body produces internally. When those three things are in short supply, your tissues break down faster, your muscles recover slower, and inflammation builds more easily. After 60, your body produces less glycine than it needs, and you are likely not getting enough from food to make up the difference. Most seniors are running a glycine deficit without knowing it and feeling it as slower recovery, poorer sleep, and persistent muscle soreness that seems disproportionate to what they are doing. Here is where it gets interesting. Japanese researchers found that taking 5 grams of glycine before bed not only helps you fall asleep faster, but increases your deep sleep phases by up to 40%. Deep sleep is when your body does the majority of its muscle repair and rebuilding work. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep. Cortisol drops to its lowest point. Cellular repair runs at full capacity. If your deep sleep is shallow or fragmented, your muscles are not getting the repair time they need regardless of how well you eat or how much you exercise. Glycine makes deep sleep deeper. And deeper sleep means more muscle repair, more growth hormone, less inflammation, and better insulin sensitivity by morning. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people supplementing with 5 grams of glycine daily showed a 44% improvement in insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your body is more efficient at using food for energy instead of storing it as fat. Glycine also acts as what researchers call an inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain. In plain language, it puts the brakes on the racing thoughts and low-level anxiety that prevent deep sleep in so many seniors. It is not sedating you the way a sleeping pill would. It is calming your nervous system in a way that allows natural deep sleep to happen. That distinction matters because sedation and genuine deep sleep produce very different outcomes for your body's ability to repair overnight. A sleeping pill knocks you out. Glycine helps your body actually do what sleep is supposed to do. After 60, poor sleep and poor insulin sensitivity are two of the biggest drivers of muscle loss and fat gain. Glycine addresses both at the same time through the same nightly dose. If you wake up stiff, sore, or feeling like your sleep did nothing for you, your body is not getting the deep repair it needs. And no amount of daytime effort can fully compensate for what gets missed during sleep. Mix 5 grams of glycine powder in a small amount of warm water about an hour before bed. It tastes slightly sweet, which makes it one of the easier supplements to take. You will likely notice you fall asleep faster within the first few days. The muscle and inflammation benefits build over weeks of consistent nightly use. Number 4. Spirulina. Spirulina is pond algae, and we understand if that does not sound appealing. But 5 grams of this blue-green powder contains more nutrition per gram than almost any other food on the planet, and what it does to inflammation specifically is backed by serious research. Spirulina contains 65% complete protein by weight. That means 5 grams delivers over 3 grams of highly bioavailable protein directly to your muscles, along with compounds called phycocyanins that give it its distinctive blue-green color. Those phycocyanins are potent anti-inflammatory agents. Studies have shown they reduce inflammatory markers, like C-reactive protein, by up to 52% in just 6 weeks. Why does that matter for your muscle? Because inflammation is not just an internal background process you cannot feel. It is actively blocking your muscles from synthesizing protein properly. When inflammation is high, your muscles cannot use the protein you eat efficiently. You could be eating plenty of protein and still losing muscle because inflammation is interfering with the process that turns that protein into muscle tissue. That is a cycle that frustrates a lot of seniors who feel like they are doing everything right. Spirulina attacks that interference directly by reducing the inflammation that is blocking the process while simultaneously supplying the protein your muscles need once that barrier is removed. NASA studied spirulina extensively for space missions because gram for gram it provides more complete nutrition than any other single food source. It contains all essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. And the protein in spirulina is absorbed at a rate of 85 to 95%, compared to only about 20% for beef protein. Your muscles are actually getting and using nearly all of it. A remarkable study from the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people taking 5 grams of spirulina daily experienced an average drop in LDL cholesterol of 41 points, while simultaneously increasing their muscle endurance by 28% during exercise testing. Those two results happening at the same time from the same daily dose tell you something about how broadly spirulina is supporting your body's systems at once. It is not a single pathway supplement. It is working across multiple systems simultaneously, which is exactly what your body needs after 60 when multiple things are declining at the same time. After 60, your body's ability to absorb and utilize protein decreases. Getting protein from highly bioavailable sources becomes more important, not less. Spirulina gives you complete protein at a near-perfect absorption rate, combined with anti-inflammatory compounds that make sure your muscles can actually use what you are giving them. Most protein sources require significant digestive work before your muscles can access them. Spirulina essentially skips that line. Mix 5 grams of spirulina powder into water or a smoothie first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Add a squeeze of lemon, which helps mask the earthy taste and enhances iron absorption. Look for organic spirulina that has been third-party tested for purity. Number 3. MSM. MSM stands for methylsulfonomethane. You do not need to remember that. What you need to know is that it is an organic sulfur compound your body needs for tissue repair, collagen production, and reducing the joint inflammation that limits your movement and accelerates muscle loss after 60. Sulfur is one of the building blocks your body uses to maintain structural integrity. It is essential for producing collagen and keratin, which means it supports the strength and resilience of the tissue connecting your muscles to everything else. When sulfur is in short supply, your body struggles to maintain that structural integrity, and things break down faster than they can be repaired. You might never connect your joint problems to a sulfur deficiency, but the research on this connection is consistent. A study from UCLA found that people taking 5 grams of MSM daily for 12 weeks experienced a 58% reduction in joint pain and a 42% improvement in physical function compared to a placebo group. That improvement in physical function is what matters most for muscle preservation. When your joints hurt less, you move more. When you move more, you preserve and build muscle rather than losing it. The relationship between joint pain and muscle loss is one of the most underappreciated cycles in senior health. Pain leads to less movement. Less movement leads to more muscle loss. More muscle loss leads to less support for the joints, which leads to more pain. MSM helps break that cycle at the source, rather than just managing one symptom at a time. MSM also increases the permeability of your cell walls in a beneficial way. It allows nutrients to flow into cells more efficiently, and waste products to flow out more efficiently. That cellular cleanup effect is part of why you may feel more energetic and less bloated within the first week. Your cells are simply working better when they are not congested with waste they cannot clear efficiently. Think of it as unclogging a drain. Once the blockage is cleared, everything flows the way it is supposed to, and the benefits ripple through multiple systems at once. The sulfur in MSM is also essential for producing glutathione, which is your body's most powerful internal antioxidant. As you age, glutathione production declines, and the oxidative stress that drives inflammation and tissue breakdown increases as a result. MSM gives your body one of the key ingredients it needs to keep glutathione production running, which has downstream benefits for inflammation, energy, and recovery that go well beyond joint pain alone. You are essentially replenishing something your body needs to run its own defense systems. After 60, joint pain is one of the most common things that makes you less active, and less activity is one of the fastest paths to muscle loss. Addressing the joint pain that is limiting your movement is not just about comfort, it is about preserving the muscle that keeps you independent and functional. The two are more connected than you might realize. Mix 5 grams of MSM powder in warm water first thing in the morning. Start with 2.5 grams for the first week, before moving to the full 5 grams to avoid any initial digestive adjustment. Take it with vitamin C, either from a supplement or fresh orange juice, as vitamin C enhances MSM absorption significantly. You will likely notice morning stiffness reducing within 7 to 10 days. Number 2. Collagen peptides. If you have heard of collagen, you probably think of it as a skin supplement, something you take to reduce wrinkles or keep your skin looking younger. That is a fraction of what collagen actually does, and focusing only on the skin angle means missing one of the most important tools for muscle and joint health after 60. Collagen makes up 30% of your total body protein. It is the structural framework that holds your muscles, joints, tendons, and bones together. After the age of 25, your body loses about 1.5% of its collagen every single year. By the time you are 60, you have lost a significant amount of the structural integrity that keeps everything working smoothly. That is why joints ache, tendons take longer to recover, and muscles feel less resilient than they used to. And because collagen loss is gradual, you often do not notice it happening until you try to do something that used to feel easy and realize it no longer does. Collagen peptides are collagen that has been broken down into small pieces your body can absorb and use immediately. When you take 5 grams daily, those peptides travel to wherever your body needs repair most. Whether that is the cartilage in your knees, the tendons connecting your muscles to your bones, or the muscle tissue itself. A German study found that athletes taking 5 grams of collagen peptides daily for 24 weeks increased their muscle mass by 15% and their strength by 22% compared to a placebo group doing the exact same training. The specific amino acids in collagen, particularly glycine and proline, signal your body to produce more growth hormone, especially during sleep. That growth hormone accelerates both fat burning and muscle building simultaneously. And research from Penn State University found that people with joint pain taking 5 grams of collagen daily experienced a 73% reduction in pain during activity within 12 weeks. What you might not realize is how directly joint pain and muscle loss are connected after 60. When your joints hurt, you naturally move less. When you move less, your muscles atrophy faster. The pain that seems like a joint problem is actually accelerating your muscle loss at the same time. Collagen addresses the structural breakdown in your joints while simultaneously providing the raw materials your muscles need to maintain and rebuild. It is working on both sides of the problem at once. The collagen you take also stimulates your body to produce more of its own collagen through a process called fibroblast activation. So you are not just supplementing. You are triggering your body's own production system to become more active again. That self-amplifying effect is part of why the results from consistent collagen use tend to keep improving beyond the first few weeks. People who stop after 4 weeks often miss the compounding benefits that build through months 2 and 3. Collagen is one of those supplements where patience is directly rewarded. Mix 5 grams of unflavored collagen peptides into your morning coffee or a smoothie. They dissolve completely with no taste and no texture change. Take it consistently every morning and give it at least 6 weeks before evaluating the results. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides from grass-fed sources for the highest quality and best absorption. Number 1. Creatine. You have probably heard of creatine and immediately thought it is for bodybuilders. Young guys in the gym trying to get bigger. Not for someone in their 60s or 70s. That assumption is costing you muscle every single day. Creatine is the most researched supplement in human history, over 2,000 peer-reviewed studies. And what those studies consistently show is that it is not just for building muscle in young athletes. It is one of the most powerful tools available for reversing the muscle loss that happens specifically in aging adults. A study from Harvard Medical School found that older adults taking 5 grams of creatine daily for 12 weeks gained an average of over 7 pounds of lean muscle and increased their strength by 32%. That is not a minor finding. That is effectively reversing years of muscle loss in 3 months. Here is what creatine actually does inside your body. Your muscles naturally store a compound called phosphocreatine, which they use to produce explosive energy for movement. After 60, your phosphocreatine stores are likely only about 60 to 80% full. When you take 5 grams of creatine daily, you fill those stores completely. Every movement becomes more powerful. Every step on the stairs becomes easier. Your muscles can work harder and longer before they fatigue. But here is the part you have probably never heard. Creatine also directly reduces inflammation. It lowers a specific inflammatory marker and increases the energy available inside each cell, which allows cells to repair damage more efficiently. That means it is fighting the exact inflammation that is breaking your muscle down, while simultaneously giving your muscles the fuel they need to rebuild. Most supplements do one or the other. Creatine does both. And that dual action is what makes it the most powerful item on this entire list for seniors dealing with both muscle loss and chronic inflammation at the same time. There is also a cognitive benefit that researchers keep documenting that you are probably not expecting. Your brain uses phosphocreatine for energy just like your muscles do. Studies have shown improvements in memory, processing speed, and mental clarity from creatine supplementation. After 60, when both physical and cognitive decline can happen at the same time, something that addresses both through the same daily dose is worth paying attention to. You are not just protecting your muscle, you are protecting your sharpness. After 60, your body is in a constant tug of war between muscle breakdown and muscle building. Inflammation is winning that war every day you do nothing about it. Creatine shifts the balance. It does not just add muscle, it changes the environment inside your cells so that muscle building becomes easier and muscle breakdown becomes harder. The safety profile of creatine is also worth mentioning because you may have been told it is hard on the kidneys. That concern has been studied extensively, and the research is clear. Studies following people taking creatine for over 20 years have found no negative effects on kidney function, liver health, or any other markers. It is safer than most over-the-counter medications. 5 grams of creatine monohydrate mixed in warm water daily. No loading phase needed. Just 5 grams every day, and within 2 weeks, your muscles will be fully saturated. Take it with your largest meal for best absorption. You do not have to start all 5 at once. Pick the one that feels most relevant to what you are dealing with right now and build from there. And if you are on any medication, speak with your doctor before adding new supplements. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 surprised you the most? And are you already taking any of them? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss what we cover next. Thanks for watching.